free banger and
Yes,
mash?
welcome.
Really?
Yes, and cheap drink.
Okay, but I will have to come another time, but that sounds really good.
Okay.
Good evening. I'm in Sukhumvit Soi 18, and today I want to show you guys Soi 18 and Soi 20. And it's about a quarter past 5, and we have a very nice light here. So, okay, Sukhumvit Soi 18 and Soi 20, that's a residential area. Soi 18 is quite quiet. It's not really a dead end, but there's not a lot of traffic coming through here. Soi 18 is mostly residential. There's a few hotels and there's a few restaurants, and actually one of our favorite Thai restaurants is here. It's our favorite because they make the Thai food how the Farang or the foreigner like it. So it's if you're looking for the typical Thai food that you can also find on the islands, like if you go to Koh Chang or you go to Phuket, you'll find this kind of food. And this is one that has this in Bangkok. So we can always recommend it because it's a very good starter. If you want to learn to eat Thai food, then that's a perfect restaurant to begin. So in the beginning of the street here, there's a few massage places, but they are the nice massages. And then here, there's a few residential areas. This is a really nice complex. There's a couple of houses called Baan Sukhumvit 18. And then here, a little bit further, you get the Domos, which if you go to Sukhumvit Homes, you'll see we have plenty of units in there. Yeah, nice residential area. As you can see, it's quite a few trees. The weather is very, very good now. It's not too hot, so it's perfect for an evening walk. Yeah, so this is Domos. Domos is located between 16 and 18. So you have two entrances. So this is the restaurant that I was talking about. It's called Palm at 18. And yeah, we love to eat here once in a while. There's not many people at the moment. Yeah, that's let's say the story of Bangkok. This is also a nice restaurant called P Kitchen. It's also Thai food. So this is the Rembrandt Hotel. Here in the Rembrandt Hotel they have a very nice Mexican restaurant, which is called Mexicano or Mexicano. Been there a couple of times. So I just noticed here there used to be a nice Thai restaurant, but that's gone. Seems to be that there's going to be some construction coming up. These are Nice spa place. The Blue Boar. Sawadee krap. Free banger and mash?
Welcome.
Really?
Yes, and cheap drink.
Okay, but I will have to come another time, but that sounds really good.
Okay.
I love that. I will. Bye bye.
Yeah, I think not so good news being here.
Free bangers. That sounds good. It's almost like the system that you have with tapas in Spain. You get your drink and then you get your free food. Interesting. Yeah, there's everybody has to have their own things and tries to get the customers in, right? Good. See, 2018 Korean seafood and barbecue. Yeah, so I'm getting here to the end of Soi 18, and if you turn left here you go to Soi 20. This in front, this is the Millennium. There are 4 towers. Again, one of these apartment complexes where we have quite a few units for rent and for sale, so if anybody's interested in that. So heading for Soi 20. Yeah, as you can see, this is a very, very quiet area. And I know I keep repeating myself, but you see this actually a lot. If you live in Bangkok, you have these main streets that are super busy. But then once you get into the side streets, it's actually quite okay. Yeah? Yeah, so here you can turn right into Soi 20 and you have a few residential buildings in there. And there's also a small mall. But I'm gonna turn left in the direction of Sukhumvit. It's the Novotel. Yeah, so in the beginning of the street you have a very popular German restaurant called by Otto. Infinity Wellbeing. Looks like a spa, right? Nice. Here a nice restaurant called the Green Garden. I see also quite a bit of construction going on here. I have not seen this one yet. Yeah, the Well Hotel seems to be closed. And here's a nice Spanish restaurant called Jamon Jamon, which means ham ham. Yeah, this is a good quality Spanish restaurant. It's perfect for tapas. Been there a couple of times. There you have Chisa, Swiss cuisine. Very nice restaurant as well. And then here, the famous by Otto. We had an Oktoberfest here one time, which was really cool. Obviously this year there was not a lot of Oktoberfest going on, but this is a nice place. It's actually worth crossing the street for. You can see you have the Bavarian atmosphere. Very nice place. Sehr schön. Da kann man eine gute deutsche Party machen, ne? And here also you can get the German food. It's a little German shop. Yeah, here in the beginning of the street you have the sports corner, which is still open. Once in a while you can watch your football matches in here. Yeah, I come here once in a while with my friends, have a drink. It's a nice place to hang out. Then here in the beginning of the street a few massage places, like good ones. Yeah, here the 7-Eleven on the corner closed. You see that a lot now. A lot of 7-Elevens and Family Marts, they are not able to stay open. Okay, so I'm in Soi 20 now. I'm gonna walk a little bit more through Sukhumvit. But this was my update regarding Soi 18 and 20. I was thinking it's actually quite nice to show the situation in different streets. So before I did Soi 8, I did Soi 10, I did Soi 14, Soi 12, so in this case Soi 18 and 20. And I will be filming more. This is new here, Buddy's Bar and Grill. I don't know if it's connected with Buddy's from Khao San Road. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.